Okay, so this is how you fix your character being imported into Unreal Engine with the wrong kind of rotation. Meaning, you have him here, but in Unreal Engine, when you click on this animation, he's laying on his back or something. It's a very simple fix. Okay, so you basically click on your character, you go to items, you notice that the rotation is not 0, 0, 0. We need to apply the rotations to zero those out. Essentially what you need to do is show where your armature is, click on your character, armature in object mode, and then you hit Control A, rotation. Oh, they're all zeroed out now. So then you can go ahead and save and then export the normal way to Unreal Engine, which would be normal some selected objects, and do not apply the modifiers, and in my case I don't apply these two. Then you'd export. Yeah.